Hello, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a planting service website. The platform that we'll be using is Wix. And the reason why I recommend that you go onto wix.com and start making your planting service website is because Wix is beginner friendly, and also you can get started for completely free without using a credit card. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com, and from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this, and all you'll need to do is tap on Create New Site in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Create New Site, you will be redirected to a new page, and on the new page all I want you to do is type in planting right here, and then you are going to select planting service. After selecting planting service, you are going to tap on next. Once you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to edit your dashboard, so you'll be able to add some information about your new website that you're creating. And this is one of the reasons why I like Wix and why I say it is beginner friendly, because they break down each step so that you'll be able to create a professional looking website even as a complete beginner. So the first thing you're going to do is enter the name of your business. So let's say I want to name this Tess. Then you would enter your business address. After you have entered the address, you're going to select the working hours. So you can select the days that you're open and also from what time to what time. Then you are going to tap on next again. Then from here you can select the different services that you offer, whether it be virtual plant inspections or we plan your plant. You can do that. Porch potting for the holidays, you can select whichever option suits your business, or if all options suit your business, you can select all options as you can see right here. And also if you would like to create a new service, all you have to do is tap on Create New Service and you could add a new service. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Next again. And from here, you'll be able to add your staff member's name and email address. Then you'll tap on Next again. And from here, you can select whether you'd like to accept online payments. Also, if you would like to accept in-person payments, which more than likely you would, so you're going to select both of these. Also, if you would like to manage on the go with the Wix owner app, which I recommend that you select so that you can use it on your mobile device from anywhere in the world. Also, if you plan on selling any products, you could select this right here. Then you're going to tap on Next. After doing that, you are going to tap on Continue to Dashboard. Then you are going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, the AI sets up your new website dashboard. Once on your dashboard, there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. The first thing you're going to do, you're going to scroll down. Then right where you see Set Up Payment Methods, you're going to tap on Set Up. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And let's say, for example, you want to add PayPal or so on. All you'll have to do is scroll down, then you could tap on Connect right beside PayPal, and you could add your PayPal account. Also, if you would like to allow manual payments, all you'll have to do is tap on Connect right there to set it up. And if you would like to add more payment options, you can tap on that in the bottom left-hand corner. Then from there, you can select the different payment options that you would like to activate. Once you have activated all of the payment methods that you want, you are going to go back over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on Home. Once on the home page, I want you to go over to the top right-hand corner and you are going to tap on Design Site. After you have tapped on Design Site, I want you to tap on Pick a Template. And the reason why I recommend pick a template compared to let Wix create one for you is because this allows you to choose a template or a layout that you think would work best for your new website. So you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. but I would recommend that you choose one of these two that they say is the best match. After you have found one that you like, you're going to tap on edit. Once on this page, what I want you to pay attention to is the left-hand menu option. So the first thing you're going to do is tap on add elements. After tapping on add elements, you're going to see this drop-down menu. And it doesn't matter where on your website you are. If you would like to add, for example, an image, all you have to do is hover over image. Then from there you could select upload and you'll upload the image. Then you can select the image box that you would like to add. So all you'd have to do is select the image box, and from there you could drag and place it onto your website. If you would like to add a button, all you have to do again is hover over button. Then from there you can see the numerous buttons that you can use. Anything that you would like to add to your website, all you'll need to do is go to the top and tap right where you see plus. Then from there you will see numerous options. So please keep that in mind. And next thing that I want you to pay attention to is the third icon from the top left hand corner, right where you see pages and menu. And this will show you all of the pages that are currently on your website. As you can see right here, I currently have 4 pages on my website. If you would like to add a new page, all you have to do is tap on add page at the bottom right here. Or if you would like to add a sign up or login page, you can do that by tapping on sign up and login, and you can tap on the page right there. If you would like to edit the booking page, you can also do that, as you can see right here. Or if you would like to add a members page, you can also do that by tapping on add a member page right there. Also, if you would like to change the color or the theme of your website, you are going to tap on the A. Then from there you will see the option to change theme, and that when you tap on that, you'll be able to change the color concept of your website. So let's say, for example, I want to use this. You can see that all of the colors change right there, but I like the original color. Another thing that you can also pay attention to, it is quite easy to edit your Wix website. All you have to do is tap on the section that you would like to edit. So for example, let's say I would like to edit this paragraph. I'll simply tap on the paragraph. After you have tapped on the paragraph, you can change any text you want by simply tapping on edit text. Or if you would like to create AI text, you can do that. All I'll need to do is tap on edit text. Then from there I can type in whatever I want. You can change the font size, the font color. You can add effects, you can add links. You can do whatever you want. It is quite easy and straightforward. Also, if you would like to edit the header section, all you have to do is tap on the header section. Then you could tap on quick edit, and from there again you can make any changes you want. So if you would like to change the website name, you can do that. If you would like to change the background color, you can do that. If you would like to change the call to action button, you can also do that. And again, if you would like to add anything more to this website, all you have to do is go over to the top right hand corner and tap on add elements. So by scrolling down, you can see how the website looks at the moment. And to preview it, we'll tap on preview in the top right hand corner. And if everything is to your liking, you could tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and your website would be live. But at the moment, let me tap on preview so that we can see how it looks. So you can see how the website looks right here. So this is it. So you can see right there. And if our customer were to tap on book now, all they would see is this page right here. And from here, they'll be able to select the date that they would like, as you can see right there. And then you can tap on next to continue setting it up. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.